The transatlantic defense sector is witnessing a significant expansion in artillery production as German defense firm Rheinmetall has secured a major contract to supply Eastern European forces with a substantial quantity of artillery shells. The agreement, acting under the auspices of US-based Global Military Products, GMP, reflects both growing European demand for heavy munitions and the increasing role of multinational procurement arrangements in sustaining Allied armed forces. Rheinmetall Expal Munitions will deliver 155 mm M107 projectiles with M4A2 propellant charges, alongside 105 mm M1 shells, providing a mix of modern NATO-standard ammunition and legacy caliber ordnance suitable for diverse artillery platforms. The contract's total value is approximately €444 million, equivalent to $521 million, of which €170 million had already been committed through pre-orders, with the remaining €274 million confirmed as new business. Deliveries are scheduled to commence in 2026 and continue until June 2027. This ambitious production schedule aligns with Rheinmetall's long-term objective to manufacture up to 1.5 million 155 mm shells annually by 2027, potentially positioning the company as one of the largest suppliers of NATO-standard artillery ammunition worldwide. Such scale underscores not only Rheinmetall's manufacturing capability but also the strategic importance of maintaining a robust and predictable supply chain for Allied forces. The contract forms part of a broader U.S. Army framework awarded to Global Military Products, based in Tampa, Florida, which received $640 million for the procurement of 155 mm high-explosive rounds under the Special Ammunitions and Weapons Systems (SAWS) program. The SAWS initiative represents a specialized acquisition channel allowing the U.S. Army to purchase ammunition and mortar systems that have not undergone complete safety testing or type classification. These provisions enable procurement for non-U.S. weapon platforms, offering flexibility in supplying partner nations that operate mixed-caliber or legacy systems. The Army Contracting Command in Rock Island, Illinois, serves as the contracting authority, and the overall estimated completion date for the framework is July 2027, with specific work locations and funding determined per order. The operational rationale behind the Rheinmetall agreement is clear. Many Eastern European armies maintain heterogeneous artillery inventories, combining newer NATO-standard howitzers with older, Soviet-era platforms. Ensuring interoperability across these systems requires access to both 155 mm and 105 mm ammunition, a capability addressed directly by this contract. The ability to provide both calibers through a single procurement pipeline simplifies logistics, reduces operational risk, and enhances the effectiveness of combined artillery formations. It also strengthens the recipient nation's capacity to integrate Western-supplied systems while sustaining older ordnance, a crucial factor in regions where modernization occurs incrementally rather than wholesale. Beyond immediate operational concerns, the contract highlights broader trends in European defense industrial strategy. Following years of relative peacetime demand, the ongoing geopolitical climate has prompted renewed investment in munitions production, stockpiling, and allied procurement networks. Rheinmetall's ramp-up toward producing 1.5 million 155 mm rounds annually signals a significant increase in industrial throughput, requiring expanded facilities, workforce capacity, and supply chain coordination. Such output not only addresses immediate demand but also ensures long-term resilience in ammunition supply, reducing reliance on ad hoc contracts or emergency imports. From a strategic perspective, the deal illustrates the deepening integration of U.S. and European defense initiatives. By subcontracting Rheinmetall through GMP under the SAWS program, the U.S. facilitates the transfer of technologically advanced munitions to allies while leveraging European industrial capacity. This approach offers several advantages. It diversifies the production base, ensures consistent quality standards aligned with NATO norms, and accelerates delivery timelines by utilizing established manufacturers with proven expertise. The arrangement also reflects a shift in U.S. procurement philosophy, emphasizing flexible mechanisms capable of addressing evolving operational needs beyond the standard U.S. Army supply chain. Financially, the structure of the contract demonstrates careful planning to balance risk and operational certainty. Pre-ordered allocations of €170 million provided Rheinmetall with early capital to scale production, while the €274 million in new commitments secured the remainder of the delivery schedule. This staged approach mitigates potential production bottlenecks, facilitates workforce expansion, and aligns with broader European supply chain dynamics. For Rheinmetall, the deal represents both a commercial success and a strategic foothold, positioning the company as a key supplier in a region undergoing significant defense modernization. The broader implications for European security are noteworthy. As Eastern European nations invest in modern artillery systems while maintaining legacy equipment, their operational flexibility and deterrence capacity increase. Access to a reliable stream of NATO-standard and legacy munitions ensures that artillery units remain effective across a variety of scenarios, from conventional deterrence to hybrid engagements. Furthermore, the contract enhances interoperability between allied forces, a critical factor in exercises, joint operations, and potential conflict scenarios where seamless integration can determine mission success. Rheinmetall's technical expertise plays a central role in this effort. Producing high-quality 155mm and 105mm rounds at scale requires precision engineering, stringent quality assurance, and adherence to NATO specifications. The M107 projectiles with M4A2 propellant charges are widely recognized for their reliability and effectiveness, while the 105mm M1 shells allow continued operation of older artillery systems. By supplying both simultaneously, Rheinmetall ensures that partner forces can maintain full-spectrum readiness across mixed-caliber fleets, avoiding operational gaps that could arise from ammunition shortages or incompatibility. The contract also sheds light on evolving trends in transatlantic defense collaboration. European manufacturers such as Rheinmetall are increasingly integrated into US-led procurement frameworks, facilitating the rapid deployment of munitions to strategic regions. These arrangements benefit both sides. U.S. programs gain access to established industrial capacity capable of producing NATO-standard ammunition, while European suppliers secure long-term, high-value contracts that stabilize production pipelines. This symbiotic relationship highlights a practical model for addressing emerging security challenges, where shared responsibility and industrial interoperability are key. In conclusion, the Rheinmetall artillery contract exemplifies a multifaceted response to contemporary defense demands. It combines operational necessity, industrial capacity, and transatlantic cooperation to ensure that Allied forces in Eastern Europe receive a steady supply of both modern and legacy ammunition. With deliveries scheduled from 2026 to mid-2027 and a projected annual output of 1.5 million 155mm rounds, the agreement underscores the scale and urgency of modern munitions requirements. Beyond immediate tactical benefits, the deal strengthens long-term resilience in European defense manufacturing, supports interoperability across mixed-caliber systems, and reflects broader trends in U.S.-European strategic collaboration. As defense industries continue to adapt to heightened demand, contracts of this magnitude will play a pivotal role in shaping the readiness and effectiveness of Allied artillery forces across the continent.